Hey, it's David Baer, and in this video I'll be sharing with you the QUEST sales letter formula. Now, if you're not familiar with the idea of formulas for sales letters, think of it this way. If you're staring at a blank page and you have no idea where to start or where you want to go, you're going to struggle a lot more, and therefore copywriters often use formulas like the one I'm about to share with you to be more efficient in building out their sales copy. This was a notion that was shared by the great Eugene Schwartz, a great copywriter who believed that you don't write copy, but you actually assemble copy. You put things in the right order. Now, in just a moment, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can speed up your copywriting process even further. But first, I want to share with you the QUEST sales letter formula. So let's dive in. QUEST is Q-U-E-S-T. Each of the letters stands for a different word. Now, first, what we do is we qualify. We qualify the prospect who we are going to speak to. And so we do this by calling them out and speaking to them in terms of the issue that they might care about and might want to get resolved, addressed, a pain that they want to go away. And by qualifying, what we're doing is we're putting a big headline out there and a big announcement, hey, if you are so-and-so and you're dealing with this problem, you should read this now. Now, what this does is it gets the right people reading it and the wrong people looking at it and saying, oh, this is not for me, and moving on. So that's why we start by qualifying. The next thing we want to do once we have qualified somebody and they have said, yeah, I'm interested, I want to know more, is we work on understanding them or demonstrating our understanding of them. So this does two things. First of all, it makes them feel as if there's a clear understanding of their problem, their pain point, but it also gives us as the writer, as the seller of whatever it is that we're marketing here, a bit more authority, a bit more trust from them, because we are able to clearly articulate what it is that they're dealing with by demonstrating that we understand the details of the problem that they are facing at the moment. E is educate. Now, educating is an extension of that building trust and building confidence in our ability to solve the problem, because we are going into further detail, maybe showing them what the problem behind the problem might be, for example. Well, you're not really dealing just with this, but there's a bigger, deeper source for this problem. Let us explain. That's how educating might work. Now, at this point, we have qualified them, we have demonstrated that we understand them, and then we've told them a little bit more, perhaps both about ourselves and about the problem in general, what might really be behind it. Now, then we move on to S. S is stimulate. You could also say that S might be solution, but really what we want to do is stimulate their interest in solving the problem. And we do this by presenting our offer. This is where we'll kind of give them an opportunity to get excited about finally being able to address the problem that they're dealing with. And then ultimately, we give them a specific offer. And then we do what's known as the transition. This is where we move them from learning about the offer to actually taking advantage of it. And this is a great way to sort of close the entire sale by simply transitioning from, here's what I've got for you, now here's how you can take advantage of it, here's how to buy it, here's how to sign up, etc. So that's it in a nutshell, QUEST, the QUEST approach to sales copy. Now, as I promised earlier, I want to show you how you can speed up the copywriting process. And the best way I know how to do it is by utilizing templates or a tool like Automatic Script. This is a copywriting tool that's online that is a very streamlined process to be able to generate solid copy that you can then improve upon after you've gone through the process of using the software. Here's how it works. As simple as 1, 2, 3, just like the script that we just looked at, or the formula that we just looked at. Here's how Automatic Script works. Step 1, you select the type of script that you'd like to create. Step 2, you answer a series of questions that will form the basis for the copy that you're creating. And then step 3, you generate the copy and you edit it for clarity, or you improve upon the content. Now, it doesn't just do sales letters. It does a ton of stuff, including email sequences, individual emails, ads for Google and Facebook, headlines. You can even create info products, content for opt-in pages, order bumps, phone sales scripts, testimonials, upsells, video sales letters, webinars, and also the promotion around webinars. Now, there are two different options when it comes to automatic script. I use the enterprise level because there's a lot more content in there. There's a ton of different variations on emails and on sales letters, and I think ultimately there's much greater value if you are producing this sort of sales content on an ongoing basis. If you get the enterprise level through my referral link, I'm actually going to give you an exclusive bonus. You can choose from one of my products, which include templates for emails, a sales copy course, a social media marketing course, and a heck of a lot more. You can get all of the details about this by clicking the link under this video and checking out Automatic Script. Oh, hey, before you go, if you like the video, hit the like button. And if you got a comment, please leave one. And finally, don't forget to subscribe.